In this video, I'll show you how you can release your package so others can pull it in and start using it. The first thing that you should do is to register your package on Packagist. Many of you will already know that Packagist is the main package repository for PHP. If you require a package via Composer, then Composer will reach out to Packagist to see if the package exists. To register a package, you must first create an account here, and I have already done that. And after you've created an account, you can submit your package. Here, you can add the URL to your package and let Packagist check it. Oh, and I already have an error here, and that's probably because my package is still private. So I'm going to make this package public. We can do that down here. Change the visibility. I want to make it public. I should type this to make it public. I understand. And now the package is public. Let's try that again. Let's check it. And now it can find the package. It's called Spatie Weight Conversions. And it gets that name from the composer.json. It's the name that you specified there. So if you want to use another name, you can do so. But for most of my stuff, I tend to use the same name for the package as for the repository. Let's submit this. And now Packagist will reach out to GitHub to get some extra information. Let's try refreshing the page. And sure enough, you can see some extra info here. You can see the requirements, the dev requirements. And currently there is only a dev main version. People can already pull in your package via dev main, but that's not really recommended. If people use this in their production environments and you push a breaking change to dev main, then all those production environments will break. It is much better to tag a release. And a tagged release is a version of the code where you as a package owner says, use this, it works. Okay, let's go and tag our first release. The first thing that you should do, although it's not technically required, is update the changelog. You can do that in PHP Storm, but I'm going to do it quickly here. So today is the 3rd of November, and we are going to do our initial release. I'm going to explain the meaning of each number here, the 1, the 0, and the 0, in the next video. Let's save this. And now we've merely updated the changelog, but we haven't released anything yet. You can create a new release here. Here you can choose a tag, and I usually keep the tag in sync with the release title. So I'm going to create a release title 100 as well. I'm going to describe this one as initial release, and I'm going to publish this. And now our code is released. Let's head over to Packagist and refresh there to see if that version is available now. And it is. And with this all done, I should be able to pull in this package on my machine. Let's try that out now. I'm going to create a test directory and go into it. And then I'm going to use Composer require and pull in that package. And sure enough, Composer could find it. Let's open this up in PHP Storm. And you can see that Composer generated our composer.json. And in the vendor file, we see the code of our package. Let's try out our package. And I am going to do this by just creating an index.php file. Let's include the vendor autoload so that our code gets loaded. And the weight class is present. Let's do the kilograms, 100 kilograms to pounds, like that. Let's output an end of line character as well so that the output will be good. And let's execute this file. And sure enough, I get the conversion result here. So our package is working. I don't know about you, but this just feels great. We've created the package, registered it on Packagist, and now Composer can pull it in. So everybody can start using our code now. Pretty cool.